Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. 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 Those of you who know me know that I absolutely love shoes. So in my last video, I started transforming our event planning closet at home into my shoe boutique. And this is something that I've been wanting to do and needing to do for quite some time, because I do have an extensive collection that I have formed over the years. So one of the key things that I wanted to do was to keep this very affordable, something that you guys could actually, duplicate in your own homes. And one of the ways that I do that is through using these plastic shoe containers from the Dollar Tree. I've been collecting these for years. I think they're very easy to store your shoes. You can see exactly what shoes you have in the containers. They're stackable. They are budget friendly, of course, only $1 each. And this has kind of been the system that I've been using, I know, for the past 15 years. I don't know if they carry these exact same shoe boxes at the Dollar Tree now, but I know you can find these at Big Lots if you can't find them at the Dollar Tree anymore. Now in the bottom are all of the shoe boxes from the huge shoe haul that I did recently here on YouTube. I'll be sure to link that video down below. We have to replace those boxes, and that is what the bottom system is going to be about. Here, all of my high heels, sandals, pumps, flats, all of those are stored in these boxes, and they are categorized by the color. So on the top of each box, I have the color of the shoe, whether it's white or red or green. If I'm looking for neutrals, I'll just locate that shoe at the top, and then at the bottom, I'm going to put all of my boots and everything there, but I have to clean out all of those first, because you guys, I just got 20 something pairs of shoes for $300, and it was literally over $3,000 worth of shoes. So I literally got one pair. I literally got 20 something pairs of shoes for the cost of just one pair. So the boots that are at the top and the boots that are in the boxes at the bottom will all go to the bottom. After the quarantine is over, I will decorate and style the middle shelf, but you guys know that everything is limited right now, and I want to do the right thing to stay safe and stay home. So I'm going to use what I can order, online, and things that I can secure safely. So that's what I recommend you doing as well if you're doing this project at home. I know you can order bulk. Dollar Tree has opened up their online ordering again, so you can go to dollartree.com to order the clear shoe boxes. So we are going to clean out the bottom half of this closet. You guys see all of the things still there. Those clear containers on the left will go on the top shelf, and then all of the boxes are going to be the boots will be taken out of those boxes, and you will see what I'm going to do next. Okay, you guys, so I have cleaned the bottom of the closet out. I have all the shoes over here, and I am going to take this tension rod and measure, let's see here, and put it up at a slant. Okay. Okay, so I have the first rack here. You guys see that? I may need to bring it down just a little bit. I don't know if it's even. It's not quite even. I'm going to bring this side up over here a little bit. And then I'm going to put the other one this way. And it'll come out a little bit more. Okay, you guys. So I have the first rack hung up. And I'm going to hang my high boots up high. And then I'll hang up my lower boots lower than that. So I'm going to get all my long boots out and hang those. Now for this, I'm using boot clips. I got these from Amazon. I will leave the link down below. I'm going to hang a few pairs just to show you guys how easy it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and get it finished. Well, that didn't go good. Let's try it again. Okay, you guys, so that did not work as I expected it to. I just wanted to show you guys the real life, you know, trial and error that we go through in DIY projects. As I suspected, even though I ordered a heavy duty rod, this one is not really heavy duty. So yeah, that's not working for me. Whew. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna probably get something to reinforce these rods that I have, or either get some metal rods actually drilled into the wall. Okay, so that's where I am with this project. I'm gonna have to put this on hold, but you guys get the idea. Once it gets finished, I'll come back and do an update for you guys. Okay. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. Here is the before of our entertainment closet, just things thrown around haphazardly. And here is the after of my shoe boutique. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It met all of my personal needs, you know, being it budget friendly, using most items from the Dollar Tree. I wanted it to be functional. I could see every pair of shoes that I own, the colors and everything like that. I wanted it to be inspirational. It's definitely that. I can open my closet and, you know, see what I have and pull together a nice look for when we are able to get back out. I wanted it to be something that was easy for me, something that you could definitely do yourself, something you can definitely DIY. And so having those little holsters in the inside to hang the pole definitely made that possible. I wanted something that would be long lasting, and I definitely think that this storage solution meets all of those requirements. I will link everything that I use to create this look down in the description box below. Also, if you're looking for a shoe haul or a shoe try on, I have that video that I did a little bit earlier. I will link that for you guys as well. I hope that you are staying positive, finding projects around your home as you stay home that will enhance your quality of life once things get back to the new norm. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!